HKAT Exam Series English Mock Papers. Published by Times Publishing Hong Kong Limited. Copyright Times Publishing Hong Kong Limited, 2017. Section A. Listening. There are 3 parts in this section. Write all your answers in the spaces provided in the answer booklet. For each part, you will have 30 seconds to study the questions in the answer booklet. The CD will be played only once.
Part 1. Jasper and Lola are talking about animals. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5. You have 30 seconds to study the questions. You may start now. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
Hey Lola, I just had the most interesting class ever.
Hi Jasper. Really? That's good. What did you learn about?
It was science, and we learnt about animals and insects that have recently been found. That means no one knew about them or had seen them before.
Wow! What mysterious creatures! Tell me about them.
Well, one of them is a cockroach called the lightning roach.
Ew! Why are you excited about a new cockroach? Cockroaches are scary and dirty. They always run about on the street and make people jump.
Don't worry, Lola. Lightning roaches are only found in Ecuador, a country in South America. South America is very far away from Hong Kong.
Phew! Why are they called lightning roaches? Do they make lightning?
Don't be silly, Lola. They light up and turn green in color in the dark. Isn't that amazing?
Oh my! I'm not sure I'd like to see one. So what other animals did you learn about?
Well, there is a monkey in Africa called the Lesula monkey. You might like them as they are cute. They hide in the trees and stay away from other animals. I guess that's why no one saw one before.
Aw, I love monkeys. They are full of mischief and their babies are funny. That reminds me. I read about a fish in the news. A colorful catfish. No, wait. It's a walking catfish. Look it up online. It made me laugh a lot.
I will. Thanks, Lola.
Check your answers now. Number 1. Jasper learnt about animals and insects which Number 2. Where are lightning roaches from? Number 3. Lola thinks lightning roaches are Number 4. Which word can describe a Lesula monkey? Number 5. Lola tells Jasper to look up online. This is the end of part 1. Please go on to part 2. Part 2. Mr. Han, a university professor, is giving a talk about animals at Jasper's school. Listen carefully and answer questions 6 to 10. You have 30 seconds to study the questions. You may start now. Listen carefully. The talk will begin now.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Mr. Han. I am a professor in a university. Today, I'm going to talk to you about 2 very special animals. They are special because they are some of the world's smallest animals. The first animal is a frog. It is brown and black with orange eyes. The frog was found by scientists in a country called Papua New Guinea. These frogs are very small. They are around 8.6 millimeters long, which is about the size of a fly. They can fit on a small coin. They live in the leaves on the floor of the rainforest and eat tiny insects. They are very difficult to spot because they are the same colors as the rainforest floor. They are very light and have strong legs, which means they can jump from place to place easily. They are very good at jumping long distances. They are also very loud. You can hear them clearly when you walk through the rainforest at night. I like this little frog because it is beautiful, even though it is tiny. What do you think? Do you like it too? If you do, can you think of a good name for it? Scientists don't have one yet. The second exciting new discovery is the world's smallest snake. This thin, brown snake was found under a rock on an island in the Caribbean. The snake is very small. It is about 10 centimeters long. Surely no one can be scared of this little snake.
Check your answers now. Number 6. The world's smallest frog is the size of a Number 7. The frogs are good at Number 8. Which statement is not true about the frog? Number 9. Where was the snake found? Number 10. How long is the snake? This is the end of Part 2. Please go on to Part 3. Part 3. Jasper and Lola are arranging a trip to the Big Wings Butterfly Reserve. Listen carefully and complete the note sheet for Jasper. You have 30 seconds to study the note sheet. You may start now. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
Hi, Lola. I'm looking forward to our Wildlife Club trip to the Big Wings Butterfly Reserve.
Hi, Jasper. Me too.
Let's make a list of useful information for all the members.
Good idea. Well, firstly, the address is 10 Sky Road, Nature Town. The website suggests that we arrange to get a guided tour.
How long do the tours take?
They last for 2.5 hours, starting from 10 a.m. or 2 p.m.
Oh, it says here on the website that the group can be up to 25 people. That should be fine, as there are only 20 members in Wildlife Club.
Now, we should also tell everyone about what is at the reserve. Firstly, we can get a quick lesson in the Education Centre. That is like a classroom, but hopefully we won't get any homework. Then, as we walk through the Butterfly Reserve, we will see the organic garden. That is where they grow fruit and vegetables. I'd like to see that.
Yes, it looks interesting.
Then, afterwards, we can see the dragonfly pond and see how many dragonflies we can spot. I guess we finished the tour in the Exhibition Centre. That has lots of pictures and information.
We are going to learn so much. We will have to ask if we can make a display of our trip on the club notice board.
I agree. We should each take a notebook and pencil to jot everything down. Now, let's note down some things about the Butterfly Reserve. The website says that over 200 butterfly species have been found at the park. Wow! Goodness, 30 of these are seldom seen, and 70 are uncommon. I'll bring my butterfly encyclopedia too. We can count how many different kinds we see.
Great! We should look out for the white dragon-tail butterfly. It's beautiful. I have a postcard with one on it at home.
This is the end of Section A. Please go on to Section B.